Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to share with you this little folio I made. I made it using the Holly Jolly collection. I picked up most of this a Tuesday morning. I got this mini sticker tablet. I got the 6x8 paper pad. I got the snap cards, which is 2x2s, 3x4s, 4x4, and 4x6 cut aparts. And then I could not find 12x12 paper, but I did pick up this Heidi Swap paper, which, has some good background pieces that went real well with it. And I also used some burgundy cardstock that I picked up at Michael's. Now this folio measures 6.5 by 8.5. I held it together using this elastic clasp. I've done this before, and I did a quick little bonus tutorial on it, so I'll link that below and show you how I made that clasp. So we open it up and take you inside. So here's the first page, and this is 5.5 by 7.5, so a 5x7 photo would fit. If you don't have a 5x7 photo, you could put a 4x6 photo. Let's say that's a photo that'll fit in there perfectly, and 5x7 would be even larger. And these are just attached on the side, so if you had a larger photo, you could stick it in there. This is for a 4x6 photo, and the beauty about a photo mat is if you had a landscape or a portrait, it doesn't matter. You can put it on here, and it would still look fabulous in there. And then again, you could put a 5x7 photo here, or 4x6, or even 4x4s, or Instax, whatever you want. And if you wanted to, you could journal down here. Now, if you wanted to journal, I would write it on some beige cardstock and just adhere it right there. All right, and so this little spread, so these are just mounted on the side, so you could stick a photo in here. And then we've got these two that open up, but before we open it, I'll show you. This is perfect for journaling, or you ever take photos of people and you realize that most of the photo on the side is extraneous and you don't need it? You could put two little snippets of a photo on here. But journaling with a white gel pen would look fabulous on there too. I would combine it. I would journal and put photos. So anyhow, that's done with the red cardstock, of course. And then this takes you to this spread, and these are two more little journal cards or photos. Now, it's a little more difficult to journal on here, but you could put a photo up in this part and journal on the lines. That's making use of the photo. You could put pictures here if you wanted to. This flips up, and it's held down with a magnet. And once we flip it up, well, I'll go like this and like that. I suppose I could take you out. Yeah, now you see my cords. But, I mean, that's a huge spread. And this is just right on here, and this is good for 4x6 photos. So we just put that down like that, and finally I'll take you to the pockets in the back. And there are 3 pockets and photo mats back here. And again, this is good for a 4x6 photo. On the back, you can put a 4x4 picture, and this is a 3x4 cut apart, so you could put a little photo back there or simply journal. So again, I made that with the Simple Stories Holly Jolly collection. I'll link below materials if you'd like, and a link on how to make that clasp. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.